How to fix your account is not eligible to use this feature right this moment. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now tap on the search bar. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. Simply tap on the update button. Now after updating, simply go back. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management and find Instagram. Now simply tap on it, click on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data, tap on delete and restart the application. If nothing solves the issue, go to Instagram. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on help. Now simply tap on report a problem. Now tap on report problem without checking. Now tap on don't include. Now describe the issue, attach the screenshot and tap on send. Now wait for some time until Facebook. Now wait for some time until Instagram support team fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.